Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file an eviction notice in Texas, step by step. The first crucial step is to provide your tenant with a formal written notice to vacate. This document clearly states the reason for eviction, such as non-payment of rent or a lease violation. Generally, tenants receive 3 days to comply, though your lease might specify a different time frame. Ensure proper delivery, either in person, by certified mail, or by posting it on the main entry door, and keep a record of this action. If your tenant does not vacate after receiving the notice, the next step is to file an eviction lawsuit, known as a forcible detainer suit. This must be done at the Justice Court in the precinct where your rental property is located. You will need to complete a sworn petition, provide a copy of the lease agreement, and show proof that you properly delivered the notice to vacate. Be prepared for court filing and service fees, which typically range from $50 to over $200, depending on the specific county. Once your eviction lawsuit is filed, the court will schedule a hearing, usually within 10 to 21 days. Both you and the tenant will have the chance to present your arguments and evidence to the judge. It is vital to bring all supporting documents, including your lease, the notice to vacate, and any communication records. If the court rules in your favor, a judgment for possession of the property will be issued, and the tenant typically has 5 days to appeal the decision. Should the tenant fail to vacate or appeal the judgment within 5 days, you can then request a writ of possession. This is a critical court order that directs a constable or sheriff to physically remove the tenant and their belongings from your property. Before execution, the officer will post a warning notice on the door, giving the tenant at least 24 hours. The officer will then oversee the removal, ensuring you regain legal possession of your rental unit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.